Hello everyone, I'm Carlos Manuel. Welcome to Carma Bonsai. Today, as you can saw, I'm in the country, I'm in the field, in the countryside. After my series of videos about the traveling bonsai man, and after I showed you my problems after the trip, now I need to move on and give some steps back. I told you, but I need to move on, and now I show you what I have here in the project inspired by nature after this. Some times ago I passed by here and I saw this olive, or wild olive we call zambujeiro, and I think it is very nice. It is different, and I have at home a kind of twin trees with wires. I try to make something like this. I'll show you at home, but today I came here to other things, maybe to another episode. See, I look for sand and rocks to my project Socotra Island painting. Today in this walk in the countryside is the second day of September 2023. Maybe I prepare 2 or 3 episodes, and the first one is about, or will be about this inspired by nature. I'll show you the trees at home, and I will remove the wires. Now I think it's time, and now let's go for sand, the big sand, if you know what I mean, and rocks for my painting, Socotra Island painting. Let's go. So this is my 2 projects inspired by that tree I showed you today morning, more or less. Another one, and I make a cement pot, a big one, but they broke, and I decided to make twins. See, twins, and these 2 ideas inspired by that tree I showed you in this morning. Now I will take off the wire and then pruning. See this big shot here, and well, let's do it. So here we are, my twins, inspired by nature. See, more or less, not exactly the same, but inspired. See, now let them grow. See, big cut here.